today's we are going to discuss about the distinct with select. So what is it and how can we use it? You know very well the select state, you can get all the record using the select static from students table, control enter, all the record is coming. But as you know, it's repeating two records. So as you can see, this is the Shakesy and this is also the Shakesy. These are two records, repeating records. If you eliminate the same value, so how can you do that? I'm saying that select distinct s name from student, control enter. So as you can see, it's only showing you 3 entries. Why? Because you are saying distinct. So the select distinct statement is used to return only different value, okay, because we have different values. If you are saying select static from student, select distinct from student, as you can see, it's showing you all the record, because distinct works with column. If you are saying distinct s address from university, so as you can see, you have 2 same values. So control enter. So as you can see, it's showing you only the different values, it's not showing you the same value. So that's why. So this is very useful statement, which is the distinct, to eliminate the same records. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.